Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect to Alaska Airlines Wi-Fi. So first is put your device to airplane mode, then turn back your Wi-Fi on. Wi-Fi with wifi.com. You will then be redirected to this page, and here you can browse internet options. There will usually be a paid internet pass and free access to the in-flight entertainment portal. Just follow all the on-screen prompts to buy or connect. Alaska commonly lists a single flight pass, historically around $8 for full access on many flights. Exact price appears on the portal during your flight, and free streaming of Alaska's movies, TV through the entertainment portal is usually available without buying internet. You can watch shows after connecting to the onboard network and opening the entertainment page. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!